Hey everyone, it's Ranger Boo again. We are at a second location, and I wouldn't believe it, but one of the cat balls of mine have just gone off right in front of me. It's gone off now, but it's literally just gone off in front of both of us. I'm going to put my meter on and see and ask out and see if anything happens. Right. Sorry, I wasn't quick enough for you to see the cat ball go off, but it literally, we didn't even ask anything and it went off. So if there's anything here, set my meter off that I've got in my hand, got my meter back, or my cat balls that are on the floor. We're not here to harm you, disrespect you. I've got two cat balls, one right in front of me and one directly opposite it on the floor right in front of me. So
it's just easier for me with my grip problem to hold. And I've got an extended lead which enables me to move away from the camera and speak like
in the background, if you can hear it, there are cars. So just ignore those.
We know you've set that ball off.
Yeah.
Can you set either one of those cat balls off, please, or the cat balls in that direction off, please? It'd be great for me.
Oh, you've set yours up as well?
Yeah, two either side, yeah.
That's okay then.
Set any of the cat balls off.
So any of the cat balls, we've got 4 out, I think.
What I'm going to do while I'm recording, just set this up.
I'm going to meter in my hand, so you can put it to red. That'd be great if you did.
Go to red.
If there's anything here, we're not here to disrespect you, harm you in any way whatsoever. There is noise in the background, in the distance, because there's traffic. So there is car noise in the background. We are out in the open.
You could debunk that cat ball with a wind, but if you look,
it's windy and nothing's going off. It's not moved.
It hasn't moved.
No.
So it can't be the wind.
Nope.
That's the only thing that has happened.
Yeah, it's literally within 5 minutes when we got here.
But we're not sure if it was wind, or we're not sure if it's anything explainable, which it could well be. It is a bit windy.
It is, yeah.
We've got the wind coming from behind us this time. We're still on the same old ground.
It's colder than it was last night.
Set one of these cat balls off, please. If you use this railway, if you're an old train driver, worked on the railway, use the route as a walking and cycling route, or horse riding even, or you love the route, or even if you went to the nearby school.
Ah, yes.
There's a school nearby, an old school, or was an old school. It was a secondary school many moons ago.
Yeah, if there's any children that walk this route in the past.
Or if you're even a landowner or a land worker, a farmer, or
and if you like the route,
really, just if there's any spirits along here, just try and set those balls off. They will not hurt you.
No, they won't hurt you, neither will the meter in my hand.
Gratefully appreciated.
Yeah. The wind has literally just picked up. I'm looking at both directions. Yeah. or if there's anybody in the past that actually walked this route, ran this route, jogged this route, whatever.
Before it even existed, or anybody experienced who built the railway can set one of these catwalks off this into the
That is just Ranger Paul X talking. It is.
We've got another bench after this to try it on.
Have we?
Yeah, we've got another bench. So it's, if it doesn't, going near to what was the old station. And the old station for this route was Flathouse. I've been reading a book. Don't laugh when I say this.
No.
Keep your trap shut with what I'm about to say. But the author is called George Bradshaw, the railway book I've been reading. It was written in the 19th century. But basically, it shows all the old railways. It doesn't say a lot about this railway that we're on. It's quite a good book, and it's about, like, it's in 4 sections. It's the old railways of Great Britain. And it's featured on by Michael Portillo on a railway program on television. It gives a lot of information about the history of the area as well. It's quite good.
I'm just looking to see if the cat balls are going off, but nothing so far. Yeah, make mine go to red, or whatever colour you want. Just make it flicker for me. That'd be great.
I want you to make this flicker. I'm going to turn this off in 5 seconds to try something else.
I'm not here to harm you.
4
or anything.
3, 2, 1. Off. Now I'm going to walk a little bit. I'm going to try again. Moving back if I can from the catwalk. So I'm just going to walk down the railway, just overtaking Ranger Blue.
Yeah.
She's going to watch Ashley 4 balls now.
Yep, I'm watching all 4 balls now. So if there's anything here, could you please set one of the lights off, 2 of the lights off, or all 4, or 3. It's entirely up to you, or the meter in my hand. This meter won't hurt you. He's just coming back.
I'm going to walk past Ranger Boot and I'm going to try it in a different direction. Steady my hand with my grip's not that good. Okay.
And doesn't seem to be playing today, but the wind does keep picking up, as you can hear. And there is traffic in the background. But I'm just trying to look for all all 4, but doesn't seem to want to play. I'm just gonna try something. I'm just gonna put all my bottom light on as well. There we go. Now you can see me properly. I should have done that in the first place really, but I didn't. But this is really, really weird because there's nothing here. So I think we can debunk that as the wind.
That one's got to be wind. I mean, it only flickered.
Yeah,
fair.
yeah.
To be honest with you, I don't know what to make. What's going
No.
We're here.
Yeah.
We're on a road. By the way, that's one of the trees I planted ages ago.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's one of them there. It's like just a little bit of random information.
Yeah.
There is another bench further down, and I've definitely had activity at that bench. I didn't have so much here. I did at the bench we've just come from have activity, and I've had activity at the other bench. So we can focus on the other bench further down.
Yeah, I think we might be going to another location in a moment to see if anything else happens further down, because we're just not getting anything at all tonight, unfortunately. I really hoped that we would, but no, we haven't.
Mind you, when you went down to the other place,
yeah,
in the mud, we didn't have anything at all down there.
No, we didn't.
We have had things with you being out, so it's not you. Well, you know that pub.
Yes.
It was going left, right, and centre.
Oh, I know. We did a location.
We've not had anything going off, have we?
No.
Right, so what we're going to do now is going to move.
I did my first investigation in a pub, and it went straight away, which was really, really, really exciting. But tonight, it just doesn't seem to be happening for some reason, which is a bit weird. But Ranger Paul X did hear what he thought was a whistle. Not a whistle, sorry. A huff. Like a sigh. But unfortunately I didn't hear anything. But I think we're going to another location now. So I shall see you in a bit. Bye for now.